and you live you live in whatever part of Nigeria, this is a lifetime opportunity for you right here about NIA. What NIA is all about, an application is opening very soon, and I decided to make a video about this to show a lot of Nigerians so that they can benefit from this. I will walk you through step by step on what you need to know about this application, how you can apply. If you take a look at the date right here, this application is coming up this particular date and month of the year. Now, all you have to do, if you have access to Android phone or iPhone or PC, you can do this, provided that you have access to internet. All you have to do is to make sure I'm going to create a new tab right here. Then go ahead and make sure you visit, click on search right here and type in nia.gov.ng and hit enter. Then it's going to take you to the official web page right here. Now, this is going to pump up right here. It's a new programs that allow every Nigerian to benefit some of the business finance right here, provided by federal government of Nigeria. I'm going to close this tab right here, so you can read details about this right here. Now, how can you apply for this youth startup entrepreneur? For you to do that, simply come to the top right here. When the application is fully launched, click on here right here, and then it's going to take you to different options right here. So go ahead and click on startup right here. Click on startup. Then it's going to take you right here, and then you can see the detail right there. Just click on here to close this pump up. NIA Startup 2.0. Thank you, Nigeria. These are the people that have benefited from this in the past. You can check on 2.0 result right here. You can read details about this. A total of 200 young Nigerian winners to every applicant and finalist. You can read details about all these things, and I will still provide more tutorial about this particular program that can benefit every Nigerian youth right out there. It's that simple. Then setup type, you can read details right here, and these are the steps you need to follow for the application. And this is the requirement: age, resident, must currently live in Nigeria, startup type, and then a complete NIA community profile must be set up. A course completion certificate from NIA is a must, and reach desk. You can click on few sample right here and read details about this. It's that simple. This is the update I have for you right now. Don't forget to share this video to your loved one that might benefit from this opportunity given